Now we will speak about some basic data types. The data types means that Python needs to know what type is some data. Okay, for example, if you would like to write, for example, my name, it's David, we know it's text, right? But Python doesn't know that. So if you want to say or tell to the Python that this is a text, you have to put it between quotes. Okay, you can write it like this or like this. So you can use single quotes or double quotes, it's up to you. So this is we call it string. Okay, it means text. This is, again, it's string, or we can call it text. Okay, after that we have numbers. If you have a number, or now I would like to speak about whole number, so not decimal number, whole number. It's you can write it like this. So it's without quotes, because quotes mean string, and we need to tell to Python this is integer, or this is number. Okay, and we call it integer. It means that it's not decimal number. Okay, integer. So for example, this again is integer. Okay, and after that we have the third one. It's decimal number. Here you have decimal point, no decimal comma. Okay, so we call it float. Okay, if you want to write 4.2, again it's float. Okay, it means decimal number. Okay, so we have three data types. In Python we have more data types than three, but now we will speak only about these three data types. And the last thing is what would be something like this. This is of course, this is a string. Okay, text. It looks like number, right? Because you have number here, but it's in quotes. So everything in quotes means it's a string. Okay, so be careful if you would like to make some mathematical operation with this. It will not end up like you expect. Okay, so be careful what is number and what is string.